Hello again. This one is again for assignment 2 for Seafile. The Seafile is to show the cloud services for company. Basically, Seafile is open source, cross-platform file hosting software system. Files are stored on a central server and can be synchronized as well with the personal computers and mobile devices through apps. File on the Seafile server can also be accessed directly via the server's web interface. Basically, Seafile is similar like Dropbox and Google Drive as well. The features of Seafile, you can say it is multi-platform file synchronization, a public link sharing, upload and download, a client-side encryption, pre-folder access control, and up here I'm going to log in. So basically on my screen you can see the GUI for Seafile, but I can't log in. I don't know for some reason, which I can't figure out why till now. So I'm just doing just to show you why. I tried to Google the error message that I've been getting, but it's not solving anything. Let's try to log in, and here we go. Network error, connection refused. But still, I'm just going to talk a little bit about how to install Seafile. Basically, to make Seafile run, we need Apache 2, Maria database SQL server, because Maria database is very useful when looking up at open source database. And after that we need, before that we need to install Python 2.7, which is very important in order for Seafile to run. And you need to change the path for the Python, and then going on your PC you need to change to C Python 2.7, and then so that everything gets stored up there. And after that we need to run up here I got a file. Basically I've followed everything on this website, and then everything was working perfectly. But since I've been doing again and again, for some reason it's just been crashed. So here we go. So here we need to install Apache 2 HTTP on Ubuntu server. This was the important command of everything is sudo apt update, so that everything gets updated every time we install some new things, some new software. And up here it's install database, that Maria database server. And running down again, here when prompted, everything was shown on my terminal as well when I was running it. So here we go. And well, I can show you, I think, let's say, okay, let's run it. Sudo mysql u root -p. I'm just gonna put my password. Should be root, yes. And here we go. I can show you Maria database, and if I run some of the commands, I can show you that I've created some database on it as well. Let's see, show database. Here we go. I've created ccnetdb, cfiledb, chubdb, and as you can see that I've granted permission to all of them, and then I did flush privileges and exit, and then I came back on my terminal, and then and let me to exit. There we go. So I did sudo dot setup. I'm not sure if it's gonna still show you everything that I did, because since I was having trouble, let's see. Here we go. I can't do anything with it unless I tried cd var www html Seafile. Yeah, I can't find anything for some reason, but like I said before, it did showed me everything. But yeah, and even my Apache started having trouble. But if I can show you, like, this command actually work for me. Let's see. Let's restart my Apache, but it's gonna be error again because I guess I crashed it. .service. Here we go. Because the control process existed with error code, and I've been getting these error messages every time. So yeah, and basically I can show you the GUI login, but network correction I've tried every time. Well, this is it for this video. Thank you.